Let's see how the gold is doing against US dollar. Since yesterday, we can see that the price has formed another bullish candle. The day before, the price has formed a bullish candle and then it continued to rise in value. We can see that. And the price has reached a small resistance level around 3325.20, and we can see this smaller resistance level is also visible on the daily time frame because we have a close price and open price of these candles, and also again the close price and open price of these candles are touching the area here, so the price could not manage to go further up, which means a small resistance on the lower time frame. Now we can see the price is currently doing and trying to move further up to make another bullish candle. How far it will go, we will see in the later analysis. But before proceeding, I would like to mention that this video has been sponsored by the broker Ultima Markets, where I'm using their trading platform MetaTrader 5. You can see that here. And also check all these details, which you can also find on their website. For example, the MetaTrader 5 you can also download from the link from their website. You can find a link here, ultimamarkets.com/mt5, and you can download that for several of operating systems. I'm currently using a PC version on a Windows base, so you can be sure that it is working correctly. Then if you are becoming their client, you will have availability to log into your dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you will have several of these menus which will provide you more details for your trading. For example, on the homepage you will have everything that is currently available on your account, which you are able to deposit or withdraw or transfer or check the history. If you have accounts, for example, I'm currently using a demo account on my trading analysis. This is here, which is visible, but you can also switch between the demo and live accounts here. After that, you can also check funds. You can check also the promotions, which is currently available, and it is 50% of a bonus. Here are the details that you can also check and also opt in currently. So feel free to check that. The link for the registration will be below in the description. The downloads section also allows you to download everything about the trading platform. You can see lots of these operating systems are available. Then you have also social trading. You have a tools which you can use, Trading Central, technical analysis. Then you have also a calculator. If you need a support, feel free to check that. And if you are using a web browser for trading, then use a web trader. Everything is on hand inside this dashboard, which is pretty easy to use, but everything depends on you. Is it good for you? And also you need to check for yourself to feel that if it is okay or not. But usually it is pretty simple and it's very useful to use. Now regarding the promotions, you can also check these details, but also the details about the leverage and also the spread is visible here. Several of the accounts are available, so feel free to check the standard account or ECN account. These are the speeds and also the platforms that are available. But regarding the spread, you can see that there are also 0 pips as a spread available using the commission, but also starting from the 1 pip is very good. Now regarding the minimum deposit, you can see that starting from the $50 is available for trading. So remember that they are also allowing to trade the crypto and also the gold, which is currently also I'm using in trading. So feel free to check all of these details on their website. The link will be below in the description, so you can also check that, all details, and after that register if you would like to use them. Now let's turn to the trading platform to continue the analysis. Now, where the price could go? Well, currently we can see that the resistance level on the daily time frame, a small one resistance before 3350.58, which is a daily resistance, is visible right here. It is an area around 3340. It is a small resistance level where the price is currently heading. So I'm targeting that the price will reach this area today, and then we'll see probably reaching again a start of this supply zone where the sellers are waiting, and also where these wicks from the 3 days, we can see that here, has reached the level and could not manage to go further up. Will this day, as a Friday, also target the same level? We'll see during this day, but also pay attention that is currently Friday, which means the traders get out from their trades, which could also trigger a sell-off or move to the upper side depending on what they will do. But currently, what I can see, these buyers that are pushing the price higher could get their trades out and also close their profits, which could also trigger some kind of a retrace back down. How far the retrace could be, this is visible right here. It could be 3325.92. Will that happen? Well, we'll see how the price goes and also how the price behaves around this area of the smaller resistance around 3340. But currently in the last 2 days the price is rising in value, so probably the price will try to reach higher price levels. Will the price manage to go also up above this area of resistance, forming like this, in example bullish breakout, a small one? We will see. It depends everything, but it is a Friday, so I am more skeptical to see the price going further up, rising in value, making a bullish breakout easily. But who knows? The market is always volatile and also unpredictable, so I'm following the market. Chasing the market is not very good, so feel free to calm down and then follow the market when the price makes a move. That move could be also a bullish breakout or bearish breakout or some kind of a bearish or bullish engulfing candle, a pin bar, which are usually a good signal on the gold against US dollar, pointing in the right direction. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.